Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to evaluate the assignment and what is the process to send it back to the student through Google Classroom. As earlier I have said to you, I have assigned a question, who are you, to the student. It is now available in the inbox of the student. As soon as when the student replied that question, it comes to the Google Classroom account of teacher. Here I have pressed Google Classroom. Now I have pressed BSc class. Now I am going to click on the question that I have posted, which different functionalities associated with that question. I have pressed that question. Here you can see that question which is turned in and which is graded 5 marks out of 100. I have given 5 marks to that student, and here a return button you can see. As soon as I touch that return button, it is asking whether you have to send the notification regarding the grade that you have sent to that student. If you press the return, it will send the notification to the student regarding the grade he or she have achieved with that particular task. I am going to cancel it. Right, then I am pressing a back button. I'm pressing back button. This functionality available with a stream. Now I am touching the classwork tab. Here also you can see how many different assignments given to your students. I am touching that question. Here you can see question and student answer. Now I am clicking on summary. Who are you? 1 turned in, 0 assigned. Right? Is such kind of facility it is giving to you. Now I am clicking on the particular student. Here you can assign or you can grade that student, right? 5. Now I am changing that marks. Suppose I am changing it 100 out of 100, right? Answer Mahesh is correct. Who are you, Mahesh? Answer is correct. That's why I have assigned. I am giving 100 mark out of 100. Now I am returning it. Press that return button. Means it's sending the notification to that student about the grade regarding the task written. It is sending notification to that student, and that notification student can see in their inbox, right? Then I am pressing the back arrow. Here you can see the changes, 100 out of 100. If I press the summary button, turned in 0, assigned 0, graded 1. Now there is no turn in available in my or teacher's account. I have not assigned any work because whatever I have assigned, that I have checked and I have submitted, I have cleared the task, so that's why it is 0. And I have assigned one task which I have checked it and sent it to the students, so that's why it is showing 1 graded. Okay, these are the different functionality associated with this classwork tab and the questions, right? What you have seen, I am repeating it. In stream you can see the question. By clicking it, you can see the grades of the student answers under the tab student answer. the questions and the points that you can see. Now I am clicking on back button. On classwork tab, as soon as when you click on the question, you can see the same thing which is available in stream, but the different functionality which is available here. Summary, when you click on summary, you can see the summary of your whole class, how many are assigned, how many students turned in, means send the assignment written to the student, and how many students graded by the staff. I am pressing back button. This functionality associated with summary. When I press the particular student's account, it will give the screen to me to assign or to grade that student by checking the answer. Whether if answer is correct, here you can see answer. If the answer is correct, you can give the 100 out of 100 credit. If it is assignment, you can check that assignment in PDF format, which you can see available over here, right? After that, you can return it. Return button is here. I am again pressing a back button. Okay, this is all about a classwork tab. Third, people, if you want to add more people, you can add it and send the assignment, send the notes, send the pictures, images to that students, and evaluate, do the evaluation of that students, and all the record available on Google Classroom throughout the semester for the assessment of the student. This is very much important and good one. This is a short brief information about Google Classroom. Thank you.